everyone, today we are going to learn or explore the world of mood board. Dress designing or developing a range or clothing line is not just putting random elements all together. It is a designer's imagination, visualization and a narrative. Every design collection has a storyline or a narrative, same as novel or a movie, but the only difference in fashion narrative is that it is an indirect sort of communication. We don't have to speak anything, like a dress cannot speak, but still it speaks louder. It tells a story without saying anything, where all the elements used in dress speaks, be it color, silhouette, texture, fabric, cuts, or anything that is being used in a dress. Dress designing is an art of visual storytelling. We can say in a broader aspect that dress designing is an art of visual storytelling. Or we can say that a mood board or a visual board or concept is a summary of your theme and inspiration. A mood board is a first visual of your imagination. But why do we even need it? The question is that, well, it is a design tool that helps us to remain focused, which is very important while we are developing our range of clothing line. It also serves as a tool to communicate or explain your vision to others or your client. In general, we can define it as a collage of imagination that tells the color, texture, cut, size and shape of a collection. It's like getting inspiration from that specific picture. But the one thing which is very important is that we can say that one picture can perceive in 1,000 ways or in a million ways. Process of making a mood board is very simple. First of all, we decide a theme and some keywords related to that theme. Then we just go and dive into the extensive research work related to those keywords. Primary research can be there or secondary research, or maybe a blend of both primary and secondary research. Like we just go to the museum to get the inspiration. We get inspired from nature, from animals, from forest or anything. Once we are done with the research work, then we may go for a secondary research like online content, blogging, movie or any other written material available. Then we put all the research work all together and select specific pictures that are going to inspire your whole collection. After collecting 4, 5, 10 or 3 pictures, we just put it together to make a collage. Then from those pictures we get inspiration of our color, silhouette, cuts, etc. for our range development. So here I am leaving you with some visual boards along with dresses. Interpret it in your own way and enjoy the art of visual storytelling or visual narrative. Have a happy learning.